Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
There is no good reason why lightning rods, and the associated assembly consisting of a connection to earth and a ground rod, are not routinely added to houses. However, most high buildings and other structures do have some kind of lightning protection system incorporated into them.
Let's help you make your mark.
Statistically, lightning is the most commonly experienced weather hazard. If you live in a very tall home, have trees taller than your home less than 10 feet away from its structure, or live in an area with a high lightning strikes, however, installing a lightning rod is recommended.
Let's help you make your mark.
Lightning rod and grounding system installation. A lightning protection professional would typically charge $2,000 to $4,000 to install rods and a grounding system. Expect to pay between $60 and $2,500 per rod, with simple rods being on the lower end and an early streamer emission air terminal on the higher end.
Let's help you make your mark.
In most situations, it is not necessary to install lightning rods on your metal roof. Lightning strikes to homes are rare. If your roof is the highest point of a surrounding area, you may consider having a lightning safety system installed on your home.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Lightning rods intercept this voltage, providing a safe path for lightning current into the ground. They do not decrease the likelihood your home may be struck, but provide a direct path to ground, preventing damage to your home from fire, explosion, and electrical surges that can result from lightning strikes.
Take our lead.
Lightning rods are placed on the roof of the house or nearby trees or any other structures around the home. The lightning rod cost of installation ranges from $60 to $2,500 per rod. There are aluminum rods and copper rods. Copper rods are more expensive than aluminum rods.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.